head. He's like straight
This
over.
is attempt number 2.
Okay, this is take 2 of getting this bat out of the attic. Okay, here are 2 eggs. I'm like sweating because it's 1,000 degrees up there, but we'll see what we can do.
Don't like hit him.
I was so close. Oh snap! Look at him. He's like contorted now. Look at his body. He's moving.
Thought I was gonna get hit by an
Oh my
egg.
god, he's moving.
I'm sorry.
He's
Oh
in
god.
lunge position. Dana, get him. Can I throw it? I'll get him. I will. Watch, I'll get it on the first
You
try.
should throw Carrie up there.
Yeah. Dana, hold it.
No.
No, hold it. I can get him.
Okay, you got this on film?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go.
You're not gonna get him.
Did I kill him?
No.
I hit it. I hit him dead on.
Where'd he go?
He's still there.
Is his arm fell off?
Did I break his arm?
Look!
Oh god.
I think he broke his arm off.
I'm sorry. Oh my god. His arm. I killed him. Maybe. Oh my god. Wait, if I killed him, he couldn't be hanging up there, could I? Could he? No.
I think it's just one of those
Oh my god, wait, are you
pics.
still recording?
Yeah.
Do it again.
Do it again. Okay, now let's go up there and check him out.
Bug. Check that out.
Where? I can't find him. I can't see
Okay.
it. It's like gonna swoop down.
It's like disgusting. Alright. Bad. I wish we had a really... Where's a broom? Where's a broomstick? He'd probably eat me.
He probably
Look at a
would.
broom.
We'll continue this
All right.
later.